Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Hi, here it is given that a firm produces water bottles where each water bottle costs $3 to manufacture and sells for $25. And also given that the fixed cost is $292,116. Here first we can find the cost function and the revenue function to find the profit. So that in this question we have to find the number of bottles sold in order to the profit to be 14% more than the fixed cost. First, we can find the P of X, so that we need the cost function and revenue function. Here, let us consider X be the number of units, that is the number of bottles that are sold. So that here first we can define the cost function and revenue function, where the cost function equals to, here the cost function can be represented as C of X, which is equals to, the cost function is fixed cost plus variable cost. Here it costs $3 for each bottle, so that it is 3 into X plus the fixed cost, which is 292,116. And then we can find the revenue function, where the revenue function is denoted by R of X, where R of X equals to, here the revenue function is number of units into price. Here the number of water bottles is X into the price, which is sales for $25. Therefore it is 25 into X. Now we can define the profit function, which is defined by P of X, that is equals to R of X, that is revenue minus cost function. Here, by substituting the values, we will get R of X is 25X minus C of X is 3X plus 2,92,116. So that by multiplying minus, we will get minus 3X minus 2,92,116. Then we can write it as 25X minus 3X is 22X minus 2,92,116, which is the profit. And then here, since it is given that the profit is %14 more than the fixed cost, so that here we can define this as, here the profit is 22x minus 2,92,116, which is greater than 14% more than the fixed cost. That is, we can simply write it as 22x minus 2,92,116 equals to 14% more than the fixed cost. Therefore, it can be written as 2,92,116, which is the fixed cost, plus 14% of the fixed cost, which is 14% of 2,92,116. Now we can write it as 22x minus 2,92,116 equal to, by simplifying this, that is 2,92,116 plus 14% is 0.14 of 292,116. Then we will get 22x equals to 2,92,116 plus 2,92,116 plus 0.14 into 2,92,116. Then by simplifying this, that is, we will get 6,25,128.24 by 22. By simplifying this, we will get x equals to 28,414.92, which is approximately equals to 28,415. Hence, we can say that 28,415 water bottles must be sold. I hope you understand the solution. Thank you.